Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get app linked to your Firestick as well as the best codes to use inside that app. This way you'll be able to get hundreds of apps totally for free to your Firestick, the kind of apps that are not available in the official Amazon App Store. In other words, you are going to be able to jailbreak your device. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the app to your Firestick. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and in the search bar start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so we click on it and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after get Downloader, we still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings, then go to My Fire TV, and from here we'll have to go to developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it, and here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. And now finally let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the Downloader. There it is, open it. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser, that's important. And then there in the search bar we gotta enter a link which is going to be applinked.store. So let's enter it together. Once again it's applinked.store. Here we go, you can see the link on the screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, the link is not going to work. Then we have to click on go, and in a couple of moments the app link is going to open. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. Then when the website has opened, we have to click on download app linked button. Now the download is going to start. Usually that doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install and wait until app linked application gets installed to your Fire TV. After that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we save you some free space on your Fire TV. After that, we'll have to go to settings. So once again, here we are, open my Fire TV, go to developer options, install unknown apps. From here, locate app linked and turn that option on as well. It's a must because we'll be using app linked to download other applications from the internet. Now finally go to the list of apps, scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find app linked application. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way app linked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. Then let's open App Linked. Here we'll have to click on the Add a Store button, and there we'll be entering the codes. So the first code is going to be 81574. So once again, it's 81574, and then we have to click on Next. Click on Add right here. Now we save the code, so we go to Saved Stores, select that code from the list, and click on Open. Now I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available in the App Store, but still I can describe to you what kind of apps you are going to find inside. So at the very top you'll find some movie applications as well as TV shows apps, then some code related stuff, then we scroll down to find some IPTV, media players, live TV applications, sports apps, then again some movie applications, a bunch of other media players, and a couple of utility apps for your Firestick. So this app store was not too big, but still it has quite a bunch of useful applications. So that was the first code of today. Let's go back now so I could show you a couple more codes. So we click on Add a Store again, and the second code is going to be 8970. Click on Next, click on Add. Again, go to Saved Stores and select that code from the list. For the same reason, I had to blur out my screen. So here you'll find some utility applications, different file management applications, web video casters, a lot of different media players, IPTV players, of course movie and TV shows applications, alternative app stores for your Firestick, remote access applications, and then again some IPTV apps. So that was the second code of the day. Now let's go back and take a look at a couple more codes. The next code is going to be 980606. Click on Next. As always, add the code, go to Saved Stores and select that code from the list. Let's open it. Here we can find movie applications, IPTV players, TV shows applications, code related stuff, movie players, audio players, and stuff like that. So there are not too many applications inside that app store, but all the apps are updated and should work fine on pretty much any device. And now let me show you the last code of the day, which is also my favorite code. It's going to be 19850000. So once again, the code is 19850000. Gotta click on Next, add the code, and select that from the list. Open it. So this app store is actually really big. They got a lot of applications here. They are all updated here. So we got web browsers, movie apps, adult applications, a lot of different utility apps, live sports applications, file management apps, anime and animation channels, news applications, then official Amazon apps, and a bunch of interesting stuff, which might come in handy for you. So today you learned about the best codes for App Link to use on a Firestick. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye bye.